Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us. At the bottom right corner just beside the subscription, tap on the U button, guys, and you land on this interface. Again, over here at the top right corner you can see the settings or the gear icon for us. At the top right corner, tap on the settings or the gear icon and you land on this interface, whereas you'll be required to tap on the general option available for us, which is at the top of the screen just above the account. Tap on general, and on this interface you'll be required to scroll down, and you can see, guys, the restricted mode option is available for us. Now in order to turn it off, you can see the toggle icon at the right side of the restricted mode is turned to blue, which means that, guys, it's turned on. Now in order to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle icon and the restricted mode on YouTube will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.